How to add a table of contents to your Flipbook. Want to make your Flipbook easier to navigate? Adding a table of contents helps your readers find exactly what they need, quickly and easily. First, log into your Publuu account and choose the Flipbook you want to edit. Now click on the button Customize. Next, go to the Table of Contents tab. This is where you can create and organize your headings. Click Add Heading and type in the title of your section. Then select the page number it should link to. You can also add subheadings under each heading to make your content even more organized. Add as many entries as you like by clicking Add Heading again. You can also delete individual headings or clear all of them at once. It's completely flexible. When you're done, click Save to apply your table of contents. To view it, open your Flipbook and click the Table of Contents icon. Your list of headings will appear on the left side. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check out our full help guide at publuu.com.